how to block an email address over on Yahoo. Today I'm going to show you how you can block an email address over on Yahoo. So let's get started. First, open up your Yahoo mailbox, and on the upper right corner you can see we have a settings icon. So just simply click on that. Then in settings, go to security and privacy. Under security and privacy, you can see the block email address heading. Now to add an email address, click on the plus sign and simply add an email address you want to block. You can also unblock an email address by just tapping on the bin beside it. So once you have done this email address is blocked. So this is how you can block an email address over on Yahoo. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.